Okay, ready?
Ready, go. There we go. Oh, there he comes.
Go!
Look at him wrap it right up.
Go!
Get him, Mr. Spider, get him. I'm
Get
gonna put this on YouTube.
Get him. Get him. Get him.
Christian's pet spider.
Yay!
Draven. Pet spider. Look at him. He's just wrapping it right up. Oh, look, he's going down. He's gonna get the other ones now.
Go, sir, go.
Watch him.
Go, Mr. Sir, go. I go. Watch out, Jay.
Watch out, you're gonna block the video.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. Now go down more, down more.
That one is dead. Hey, should we feed it a dandy long legs?
Yeah, that'd be cool.
It's right there. Should I go get it?
Yeah, go get it. Where?
It's over under here. There's lots of spiders under here. Whoa! Look at that player, Nikki.
Yeah.
What?
And there he goes right back up.
See?
There's a Danny Longleg right there, Christian.
What? Oh! No! Dre. What? Don't touch it. Okay. Don't touch it. Dre. Don't touch it. I can. Oh. Where the heck did it go? Where the heck did it go? Oh, left. That sucks.